Hey everyone, in this video, let's find out how you can use Clickup Super Agents. In order to do so, head over to clickup.com, and here under Brain AI, you're going to see the Super Agents section. That's going to bring you to this page here. We're in the comment browser for Perplexity. We're going to go ahead and ask our assistant here for some more information on Clickup Super Agents. Can you give me some information on Clickup Super Agents? What's it all about?
Clickup Super Agents are AI-powered teammates designed to work like humans, with infinite knowledge, memory, and a wide range of skills. They can be assigned tasks, messaged directly, and mentioned in projects, and they operate around the clock. You can customize agents for any type of work, and a single prompt can spin up a team tailored to your goals and workflows. They handle tasks like drafting emails, scheduling events, analyzing data, managing projects, and much more, all while continuously learning and improving.
So there you have it. If you are interested in learning more about Clickup Super Agents, head over to clickup.com. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you'll find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our socials and our top AI recommendations, including Cintra. Cintra is a fantastic business strategy tool that offers you a variety of employees to help you succeed with your business. Check out our YouTube playlist all about Cintra and use our referral link to get 60% off your first month subscription. Finally, if you're interested in an online bank, check out Simply Financial. Use our referral link to get $50 in your account to open up, and you can get $125 per referral to refer your friends and family. It's a great deal. Can personally vouch for it. Check to see if it's available in your area.